Hey, thanks for watching this video. There's more at Embark Online. You can tweet me, and there is the Pie Guy. All right, this is second grade Module 8, Lesson 3, and in this lesson we're going to continue using attributes, things like sides and angles, and in order to draw different polygons using things like triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. So the idea is we're going to just continue using all of those vocabulary words. So once again, parents and teachers, if you could have a word wall or a word bank, something to make all of our students academic language learners, that's going to help you in this whole module because it's so vocabulary heavy. We also want to kind of teach students what is a polygon by showing them some examples of what's not a polygon. For example, this first figure, is that a polygon? And the idea would be, no, it's not. Why? Because it's got a curvy side, and a polygon always has straight sides. It's always closed. It always has the same number of angles as it does sides. And so that's the idea, is to continue learning what a polygon is. And in this case, we're contrasting with what is a, right here, right there, what is a, no, down here, what is a polygon versus up here, what is not a polygon. So let's get started. So the idea here, parents and teachers, is to use a straight edge to draw the polygon that's being told with the given attributes. So it says draw a polygon with 4 angles. Well, we know from what we've been learning so far that if it has 4 angles, well, it's going to have 4 sides. So let's draw a figure that has 4 sides. And so let's see, let's draw a figure that has 4 sides and it has 4 angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, my figures are not perfectly closed. So parents and teachers, you're going to have to clarify to your students, like I was aiming for closed. So I was really aiming to make all of my little angles meet up nice and perfect and have, 4 nice angles, 4 nice sides. So parents and teachers, you're going to have to help your kids get past, like getting good enough. The idea is when Duane is drawing something and it sort of looks like it was supposed to be closed, that's what we want. Yes, he was aiming for it. So how many sides? Well, of course, it's got 6 sides. And what's the name of 4 sides. And what's the name of this polygon? We're going to call that a quadrilateral. All right. Is this the only possible quadrilateral that could have been drawn? No way. There's an infinite number of quadrilaterals that could have been drawn. Let's do one last example. Draw a 6-sided polygon. Oh my goodness. So a 6-sided polygon. So if I'm going to try and draw, oh geez, this is going to be hard. A 6-sided polygon. So let's see. 1, 2, no, that didn't go straight, did it? 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So there you go. That's about the best I could do. That's a pretty good 6-sided figure. So it's 6-sided polygon. How many angles? Well, it has 6 angles. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the name of this is a hexagon. And I remember hexagon because this is 6. It's got an X, and this is an X. Hexagon. So they both have the letter X in it. So that's a good way to memorize. A 6-sided figure is a hexagon. So the directions here say use your straight edge to draw 2 new examples for each figure, each polygon. And so a quadrilateral, so of course we want to draw a quadrilateral, and I'm going to zoom in and let's see. Let's make a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my quadrilateral. I'm trying to get crazy, and since those angles aren't quite closed. Let me kind of finish closing them a little bit. There we go. All right, now let's draw another quadrilateral. Oh boy, let's get creative. Oh, I think I'll just 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's my quadrilateral. And so now it says we are supposed to draw a hexagon. And remember, a hexagon has 6 sides. So let's see. Let's see if we can get creative with our hexagon. Oh, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a hexagon. That's kind of a fun hexagon. And then, oh, let's do another one. Let's see, can I change my border width? There we go. Okay, so let's do another hexagon right here. Remember, it's 6 sides. So it's got to be a 6-sided figure. Let's see. 1, oops, I don't want to do that. I want to do this one. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That's kind of crazy. So there's my couple of quadrilaterals. Here's a couple of hexagons, and that's the idea for this lesson. And that wraps up second grade, Module 8, Lesson 3. We got our students using those basic attributes to draw a bunch of different polygons, things like triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons.